नॉस्टैल्जिया आ रहा है, ठीक है। तुम्हारी वो नालायकों वाली हरकतें, ठीक है, क्लास में लेट आना, डांट खाना,
अब्बास सर,
so Gitika, share something.
सबका सपोर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रहा, स्पेशली मैम अरीफा मैम ने जो पीआई में मुझे बूस्ट अप दिया है, दैट वाज रियली वेरी नाइस। एंड अजीत सर, स्पेशल थैंक्स टू यू। हमेशा हर सैटरडे इट वाज लाइक कि इट वाज अ बूस्टर आफ्टर पूरी प्रैक्टिस, सो थैंक यू सो मच सर। आपसे तो एक पर्सनल कनेक्ट हो गया, तो आई विल ऑलवेज बी कनेक्टेड।
So the next one.
The next one is
Devanshi.
Devanshi.
Sheetal ma'am.
So Devanshi, let us hear it from you.
I'd like to thank each and every one of you here for the constant support throughout the process, for IPM, for CAT and everything. And I'll be forever grateful to all the help you've given. Thank you.
Okay, so
who's the next?
who's the next one? Yeah, I don't know, he's still the most laziest one. Yeah? He never used to take up calls. Then I used to call up his father and say, ask him to call me. Okay? And I remember. So Karthik, let's hear from you.
Thank you so much to everyone here for taking care of me in spite of all my laziness. I really appreciate it. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much.
I'll do my job.
To a lot of persons, like everyone here contributed some way in my journey. But special thanks to Parag sir, in like during my CAT journey, he cleared my basic quant concepts. Then Saurabh sir for DRT, and then during the journey of GDPI, Sandeep sir who is not here, but Ajay sir and Akash sir, they all helped me to not only learn about GDPI but also how we can crack the GDPI. So thank you to all of them.
I think one thing that I like to particularly mention is every morning I woke up at 6 a.m. to catch a bus for 7 a.m. and be at class at 8:30 a.m. So I think I ought to give it to the teachers for making the class interesting enough for me to actually wake up every morning and want to attend a class at 8:30 a.m. So would particularly like to thank Saurabh sir, Abbas sir and Akash sir for those tremendous classes.
The person felicitating Bhojani. Congratulations, congratulations.
I am really indebted to many people over here, and I would like to thank Parag sir and Aarti ma'am for all the basics they helped me in, and Saurabh sir, Abbas sir and Akash sir for the amazing classes they had in Accelerate, and also Sandeep sir and Ajit sir with all those wonderful lectures you gave us. And Ajit sir, your classes were especially a lot of fun. So thank you a lot, CH. Thank you so much.
I'm really grateful for the CH EdgeMakers whole team. Since the beginning till the end, every single person was there throughout the journey, helping me to go from bottom to the top and achieve all that I am right now, along with my BBA. Thank you very much to the entire team.
Still not a single person is there जिससे मैंने कुछ सीखा ना हो, जो यहाँ नहीं है, संदीप सर, आकाश सर, मतलब हर एक फैकल्टी उनसे मैंने सब कुछ सीखा है। जैसे कहते हैं कि द जर्नी इज मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन द डेस्टिनेशन, तो मैंने जर्नी में बहुत कुछ सीखा एंड आई एम ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट, सो थैंक यू एवरीवन।
And I know I am the least known face to all of you, क्योंकि जितनी मेहनत मैंने पढ़ने में नहीं की उससे शायद क्लास बंद करने में की है। बट हाँ, एवरीवन वाज देयर फॉर मी। माय फ्रेंड्स, अजीत सर हमेशा रहे हैं, अजीत सर को मैंने बहुत परेशान करा है उनके मॉम के टाइम में कि सर कॉलेज नहीं हो रहा है, सर क्या करूँ सर, अब तो बता दो सर, कॉलेज कॉल ही नहीं आ रहा है। संदीप सर ने मुझे बोला था कि क्लासेस रेगुलर हो जाओ तुम, मतलब पढ़ाई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। जिस दिन उन्होंने बोला अगली 3 क्लास में बंद करें, so still thank you very much for everyone being there for me.
Yeah, so I would like to thank Saurabh sir and Sheetal ma'am and Abbas sir. I have not interacted with all the teachers, but whoever I took the help were always. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this. Hi guys, पहले तो sorry for being late and thank you CH fam. Really मैं late join कर रहा था CH में, but सारी जो गाइड करा है मुझे, so I was really thankful for that. And मुझे फर्स्ट क्लास में आकाश सर ने बोला था कि यहाँ पे मैं इंटरव्यू के लेसन्स के लिए नहीं आया हूँ, लाइफ लेसन्स के लिए आया हूँ. So that really changed me and that really helped me. So thank you so much for that and congratulations to everyone.
Lovely.
So first of all, I would like to thank everyone, especially all the faculties and all the teachers who took my GTPI as well, because like Akash sir always is an eye opener in class. They are the eye opener in the interviews, and I like to learn that how underachiever I was and how they have converted me into an overachiever. So all overwhelming regards are for them. एंड जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ कि अगर ये मेहनत के फल है तो पूरा झाड़ यहीं पर बैठा है.
अरे वाह वाह वाह.
So thank you everyone, and thank you friends for being so much contributive and always talkative, always being a support in my journey. Thank you so much.
Good evening, teachers. Good evening, friends. It's a very big day and a very big moment for all of us. I think from taking the decision to appear for the CAT examination, that is the very first step and the challenging part. And once you have taken the decision, being on it, and then taking each and every step, now that was a very big part for me. And the teachers we have in CH EdgeMakers, they have supported us in each journey. As well, I'm very happy that in Indore there are so many coachings, but this was the place where I got the personal attention. So every teacher knows here personally. So we have a connection, we have a bonding, we can bring up our problems. So that's a very great, and thank you everybody.
Thank you. Lovely. I'm so happy. So happy.
I joined here just for GDPI. I came hardly for 2 months, but now I feel really grateful to be a part of CH family. And a special thanks to Sandeep sir, Ajit sir, your guidance, mentorship has made me convert one of my best calls. And Sohil sir, he's not here though, but after failing badly last year, I was not even about to give this exam. He made me appear for CAT, helped me prepared for CAT, and now I have converted IIM. Thank you.
Lovely. We had a workshop after the CAT exam. We had a workshop. Myself and Sandeep sir, we used to take a workshop, and I received a call from Sohail sir saying that एक student आ रही है. बोला अच्छा कौन आ रही है? उन्होंने उनका नंबर भेजा एंड नंबर भेजते साथ अरवा का कॉल आया, सर मैं आना चाहती हूँ, कहाँ आऊँ? एंड शी वाज सो लाइक हाँफ रही थी. और मेरे ख्याल से लिफ्ट उस दिन शायद ख़राब थी और तो सीढ़ियों से चढ़ती हुई दौड़ती हुई ऊपर आई थी. ठीक है, ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ वर्कशॉप. एंड वो दिन है और आज का दिन. शैलेश सर.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to especially Ajit sir, Akash sir, and Sandeep sir as well, who is not here. And I joined only for the GDPI preparation, but it was a really memorable experience, and they helped me guide through this really tough process of GDPI. So I would like to thank CH Edge family as a whole.
A very warm greetings to each and everybody present here, and I would like to thank each and every teacher present here for their guidance and support. And one more thing which I would like to say is, last year I saw my friends attending this party, and today is the day I am standing here at this celebration. So it means a lot,
and it wouldn't be possible without your support and guidance. So thank you.
Lovely.
Like I would firstly would like to thank all the CH EdgeMaker faculty like for giving me educational and life lessons for my whole life, and I would also like to thank all my friends here who make me learn and laugh very much and make those class interesting. Thank you.
First of all, good evening to all of you, and good evening to all of you. And I am very grateful to be the part of this community. And also, I want to thank Ajit sir and Saurabh sir who motivate me to take a drop again. And also, बिकॉज उनके बिना पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता कि मैं कुछ अच्छा अचीव कर पाता. लास्ट ईयर मेरा बोध गया हुआ था. एंड ऑल्सो स्पेशल थैंक्स टू आकाश सर. मैं लास्ट ईयर उनके ऑफिस गया था बिजनेस पार्क में. वहाँ पे उनसे इंटरव्यू के सेशन हुए और उन्होंने बोला था कि आई डू नॉट ट्रेन द लूजर्स. तो बस मैं उनको वही बताना चाहता. लकीली आई गॉट द कॉल फ्रॉम शिलोंग टुडे.
Lovely. So it's hard work.
So I just want to tell you that I was not the. Thank you so much.
Well, I started my journey very late with CH. I was very late for the studies part. I was like, I think 4 to 5 months were left. And what I expected was, from any educational institute, what would you expect? Just education. But I can gladly say that I got a chance to, receive more than that. I'm really grateful to Sheetal ma'am, Ajit sir, Akash sir, because and Sandeep sir, because they didn't only help me in the studies part. It goes beyond that. Sometimes when a student needs some kind of motivation, they need someone to hear them that I want to say something. Can you please guide me? So that was something I was not expecting. And this right now I can say that in this kind of world, it's not for free that anyone goes around and help anyone. So I'm really grateful to that, and thank you everyone.
Great.
Hello everyone, I am really happy to be the part of this celebration and really thankful for all the faculties and friends at CH EdgeMakers to be part of my journey. Thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच टू एवरीवन. एंड आज अच्छी बात तो ये हुई कि शैलेश सर हैं, बिकॉज मेरा जो बेसिक्स था क्यूए में, मेरा क्यूए वैसे भी वीक था थोड़ा, तो सर को क्या पता मैं याद हूँ कि नहीं, बट उनके कारण मेरे बेसिक्स बहुत क्लियर हुए थे. फिर एडवांस के लिए तो आकाश सर थे ही. एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू एवरीवन फॉर दिस.
First of all, thanks to all the members present here, and thanks to all the faculty members. Even I don't know name of all the faculty members. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट रहा हूँ, तो जिनसे इंटरेक्शन हुआ है सिर्फ उन्हीं को जानता हूँ. सौरभ सर, आकाश सर, अब्बास सर, हमारे शिवम सर, अजीत सर. एंड आकाश सर की एक बात मुझे अभी भी याद है, जब फर्स्ट क्लास ली थी उन्होंने, शायद वो मुझे जानते नहीं होंगे, बट मुझे याद है कि हम जो बताते जाएं वो फॉलो करते जाओ, तुम्हारा हो जाएगा. लेकिन अगर अपनी मनमानी करी तो अगले साल वापस से इसी क्लास में बैठना पड़ेगा. So thanks to all of you.
We have with us is Shivani. Shivani, please come. And to felicitate Shivani, I would like to call Shubham Dwivedi, sir. I would like Shivani to speak something.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Shivani Bhavalkar. A lot of teachers don't know it yet. So I just want to make my recall value strong. That's why I'm telling you all my name. So next year when I come on my summer internship break, you all know my name. Nextly, I am really thankful to all the CH EdgeMakers, to all the team for making CH Edge not just an educational institute, but also make us feel like home at there. And I am also grateful for all the friends. I actually did not make friends when I was studying there. I made friends at the time of CGA. So I am actually thankful to them. And last thing that I would like to say is at the time of CGA, Akash sir always used to tell us, you all are an asset to your parents. So make sure to be a good one. So I really hope that we prove him correct and we all make them as well as our parents proud. Thank you.
Thank you, Shivani. The next to come on the stage is Shriyansh. Shriyansh, please come. And I would like to call Pragya ma'am. to come and felicitate him, please. Please come.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for everything in my helping my journey to for the MBA. And special thanks to Ajit sir. He helped me a lot in my PI and interview preparations. Thank you, sir.
The next person we have with us here is Aditi. Aditi, please come. And I would like to call Saurabh sir to felicitate her, please.
So I would like to thank all the teachers. I joined CH really late, and I think I was there just for 15 to 20 days for GDPR preparation. But because of the guidance and support, I was able to convert some of my best calls. So I'm really thankful to the whole CH team, and also to Pragya ma'am, because she really managed everything at the end moment. So I'm really thankful to her. Thank you.
The next person we have on stage is Rishika. Rishika, please come. And I would like to call Sheetal ma'am to felicitate her, please. And Nasheem sir, please come.
First of all, thank you all the faculties who have taught me, and especially the interview round, because I had almost given up during the interview sessions. But thank you for Akash sir, Ajit sir, who literally forced me to speak in class, which helped me boost my confidence. So thank you everyone.
Last year, this time around, I was completely focused on the fact that I wanted to be a developer, move my career ahead as an architect. But things changed, and as I started looking around, something which really helped me out was the faculties, and specifically a couple of people around who helped me out come up from the fact that there was a time when I scored 50 percentile in English 2 years ago. So just a 2 month of preparation, and here I am with something which I couldn't have thought possible, though I knew I wanted it to do, but it's just something I don't think would have been possible without the faculty. And thank you for everyone, as well as the friends and people here.
Presentation is done. Ajit sir, are you done?
Okay, everybody, congratulations, and few thoughts that I have for all of you. तुम लोगों ने पर्टिकुलरली इंटरव्यू की तैयारी के दौरान हमें भी, और फिर वहाँ पैनल में जब गए इंटरव्यू में जिनके भी सामने, चाहे वो मॉक इंटरव्यूज हो या एक्चुअल कॉलेज के हो, फट्टे बहुत मारे, है ना. बड़े बड़े प्लान्स बताए, आई वांट टू डू दिस, आई वांट टू डू दैट, व्हाई आई वांट टू डू एमबीए. आई वुड से अब अगर सिलेक्शन हो गया है तो सारे फट्टे भूल जाओ and start all over again when you enter the B school. Give that B school a chance to mold you from scratch, from raw. Right? These schools that you're going to are great schools. You'll find good environment, and in the way I see you expressing gratitude towards this team here, right, I'm sure you're going to come across great mentors there when you are at a good B school, right? So the way you gave your confidence, your trust to the team here, you need to do exactly the same with the colleges, the schools that you're joining, right? That's one thing. Two, I didn't get to interact much with you in the GDPI preparation stage, but I did sit in some of the panels on the mock interview panels. And those of you who were with me in the mock panel, I would say the same thing to all of you. My dear friends, when you join a B school, you don't join it as if it is a personality development institute, so 2 साल में personality improve हो जाएगी. You don't join it as a placement agency that placement मिल जाएगा. A B school, and I'm talking of the kind of B schools that you guys would be joining, means hardcore business education. The first thing that you're going, and the foremost that you're joining a college for is good, high quality business education, right? Activities, extracurriculars, clubs, hostel life, they are all part of the pedagogy of the ecosystem that they have created for you. But it is not those extracurriculars that you join a B school for. You join a B school for hardcore business education. Keep that in mind, keep shining, and keep coming back to all of us whenever you need any one of us or whenever you need a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and you are in Indore. All the best to all of you. Bye bye. Ajay says that you are keen to have me. Generally, I feel the other way around. So, anyways, this is a moment when whatever for last 15-20 years. So every time I meet set of people who got selected, मैं फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूँ. I'm sure a few faculty will actually beat me up for saying this for the umpteenth time. But then it is important that you guys understand it. मैंने हमेशा ऐसा माना है कि एक फैकल्टी का काम ये होता है कि उसके स्टूडेंट्स को उसके बाद उसकी ज़रूरत ना पड़े. I hope you understand the line. You should not need a faculty once you have been taught by him or her. And that is a value that I would want all of you to imbibe, because that's a key trait required in a B school. I come from IIM Lucknow, and in those days, we used to have a great prof, Chakru. We used to call him Chakru. He was Professor Chakrabarti, excellent speaker, and he used to tell us. He used to keep telling us, various learnings. The way he pushed those learnings in us was, what business are you in? So his every speech will start with, what business are you in? So if his class is to start, he'll say, okay, what is our today's business? What business are we in for this class? So he kept telling us, what business are you in? Okay, so IIM Lucknow का जब पहला ओरिएंटेशन सेशन बोलते थे उसको उस ज़माने में. आई एम नॉट श्योर दोज ऑफ यू आर गोइंग मे बी टेलिंग मी व्हाट हैपन्स नाउ, बट देन सो उसमें प्रोफेसर चक्रवर्ती यूज्ड टू बी द फर्स्ट स्पीकर, एंड ही वुड से, whatever you are learning here will become obsolete in 5 years. This is Professor Chakrabarti speaking. 5 years. That 5 years now has become 5 months. So by the time you graduate, what you learn often starts becoming obsolete. That is the way, world is changing. So why this line? He used to say, everything that you're learning here will become obsolete in 5 years. So you need to start thinking as to how you will remain relevant after those 5 years. And so if you're at IIM Lucknow, you must try and learn one thing, which is learning to learn. Okay, which means you got to keep learning all your life, and how to learn is what you should be learning in these 2 years. So take this as the let's call it success mantra. When you come out of your B schools, you must not just be a B school graduate, but you must be someone who can graduate every 5 years on your own. Okay, so for example, these guys are now making us what is called the Insta generation, right? And in our days, even internet wasn't there. So when I passed out of IIM Lucknow is when internet happened in India. Okay, and so we took one of उस समय एक डायल अप कनेक्शन होता है. डायल अप मतलब आपके घर पे जो लैंडलाइन आती थी उससे you used to connect the modem, and we used to get a princely speed of 128 kbps. Yeah, I'm talking of 128 kilobytes per second. Nowadays you call 100 mbps very slow. So think about that. That is how it started. So that's when internet happened. So Professor Chakrabarti said 5 years, we became obsolete in 2 years. Because by the time we came out and started running our business, internet happened, and everything that we had learned in our B school, okay, started transforming itself. This is what happened, right? This is happening now at a much faster pace. Yes, you're entering a B school when AI revolution is happening.
and by the time you're going to come out, God knows what revelation will happen. So how will you remain relevant? By learning, learning to learn. Okay, which means you will have to keep reinventing yourself every 5 years. If that is what you could do from your B school, that is the best thing you will ever add to yourself. Okay, with my best wishes, and as Ajay said, we are always and every time available. I keep telling in my classes to people that 25 साल पहले के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो मुझसे मिलते रहते हैं आके, एंड a lot of them are very very good friends nowadays. So I mean, उस ज़माने में वो मुझसे कुछ 5-7 साल छोटे हुआ करते थे, तो they are like friends now, and every time they come we end up spending hours like that. So let's hope that you guys are also going to come sometime in your life, tell us okay what strides you have taken in your life, and make us proud. Thank you.
Well, hello everyone. Am I audible? Yes, sir. Okay, great. So this is what normally I ask. So वैसे भी आजकल मैं ऑडिबल ज़्यादा सुन रहा हूँ. चलिए, so one thing, as everyone is saying, you be abreast with what is going on in the world. So probably being a VA faculty, मैं तो यही बोलूँगा कि पढ़ो. So I know I have pushed a lot many articles to you to read. Probably it's time that you start pick up that habit, develop that habit, inculcate that habit in you. बहुत read करो. Believe me, that's what give you. And I always believe input decides your output. So जो अंदर यहाँ जाएगा ना पढ़ने के बाद, तो वही बाहर आएगा. So believe me, in profession that's going to help you immensely. So be abreast with what's going on around the world, not just in your domain but all around. So that's one thing I wish to say. बाकी be in touch. हम लोग यही हैं. So आते रहो, मिलते रहो, है ना. Enjoy.
काफ़ी सारे लोग तो मुझे जानते नहीं हैं, कुछ एक लोग ही जानते हैं जिन्होंने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस मेरी अटेंड की थी. बट देन आप लोगों के लिए खैर ये इस तरह का साल पहली बार आता है, पर हम लोगों के लिए तो पिछले 25 साल से लगातार हर साल आ रहा है. तो सभी की लर्निंग्स आपको मिलती ही रही हैं, और कंटिन्यूसली सबके इनपुट्स जो हैं कि लगातार सीखते रहना है. सौरभ सर का कहना है लगातार पढ़ते रहना है, जो पढ़ेंगे वो अप्लाई करेंगे, वो यूज़ करेंगे, रिडंडेंट नहीं होना है, सीखते जाना है. साथ में एक चीज़ बस और ऐड कर देता हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत सारे इनपुट्स ऑलरेडी मिल गए. डिस्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत सारे हैं और रहेंगे ही, और बढ़ते ही जा रहे हैं दिन ब दिन. तो ये ध्यान रखना है कि वो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस आएंगे, अपने होराइजन को वाइडन करते रहना, फिर नैरो करना, फिर वाइडन होने देना, फिर नई चीज़ें ऐड करना, फिर नैरो करना. तो वो वाइडनिंग नैरोइंग कंटिन्यूसली चलती रहेगी, तभी वो फिल्टर लगते रहेंगे और आप कुछ अच्छा एक्सट्रैक्ट करके निकलते रहेंगे. अगर वो होराइजन वाइडन ही रह गया और नैरो नहीं किया तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों में हम खो जाएंगे. तो फोकस इंटैक्ट रखना है, एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ एडिशनल थिंग दैट आई वांटेड टू ऐड. संदीप सर यहाँ नहीं है, वरना शायद वो भी ऐसा कुछ डेफिनेटली बोलते, तो मुझे लगा उनकी तरफ से मैं बोल देता हूँ कि फोकस को इंटैक्ट रखना है, क्योंकि हमेशा बोलते हैं कि द लास्ट लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड फोकस इज़ द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ द वर्ड सक्सेस. तो वो ध्यान रखना है सबको और ऐड करते रहना है. थैंक यू.
आफ्टर अजय सर, आकाश सर, सौरभ सर, इन लोगों को सुनने के बाद मुझे क्या सुनोगे तुम यार. ठीक है, पर ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं. मैं तुमको सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ बताता हूँ. हम लोग तुमको बताते थे कि नेटवर्क, पीयर नेटवर्क और नेटवर्किंग और ये सारी चीज़ें, अब तुम ऐसी जगह जा रहे हो जहाँ पे यू आर गोइंग टू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर फॉर लाइफ. ठीक है, बहुत कम लोगों को पता है कि मैं संत कबीर दास से इंस्पायर होकर दोहे भी लिखता हूँ. शायद किसी को नहीं पता होगा. अरिफा नोज दैट. ओके, सो मुझे एक दोहा बस याद आ रहा है और वही बोलूँगा, और उसके बाद अपनी वाणी को विराम दूंगा. दो है. When you make friends, always remember that कंपनी, तुम्हारी जो कंपनी है वो तुम्हारी अपनी वैल्यू को या तो बढ़ाएगी या घटाएगी. संगत गुणी की राखिए, संगत गुणी की राखिए, आपन मोल बढ़ाए. संगत गुणी की राखिए, आपन मोल बढ़ाए. जो नून काजू मिले, एक ही मोल जाए. इसका मतलब ये है कि जब काजू और नमक एक साथ मिलता है और जब वो तराजू पे पड़ता है तो दोनों एक ही भाव बिकता है. ठीक है, नमक का भाव और काजू का भाव एक ही होता है. इसलिए अपनी संगति को हमेशा अच्छा रखना. मेक गुड फ्रेंड्स, मेक वैल्यूएबल रिलेशनशिप्स, एंड लिव योर लाइफ.
थैंक यू।
अब ये मुझे आप बुला ले तो हर बार, लेकिन शेर तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा, वो तो डेफिनेटली।
इंग्लिश हो गया,
कोई उर्दू तो होना ही चाहिए। एक हम लोग पहले ये बात कर इरशाद, उस वक्त मैं सोच रहा था कि दोहे बोल रहे तो अविनाश बोलना चाहिए। तो मैं बोल रहा था कि जो हम लोग जो सब्जेक्ट पढ़ाते हैं मैथमेटिक्स, तो हमसे तो वैसे भी कोई नाम लेना ही नहीं चाहता कि हम लोगों का कोई नाम ले, फिर भी 2-4 लोगों ने नाम ले लिया, थैंक यू। ज़्यादातर लोग जो 2 महीने पढ़ाते हैं ना, आप GDPI उनका ही नाम लेते हैं। हम लोग 16 महीने पढ़ाते हैं, हमारा कोई नाम लेता नहीं है। बट चलिए ठीक है, आप लोगों के कॉन्ग्रेट्स एवरीवन। और अभी हम लोग ये एक स्टेपिंग स्टोन था, अब आगे आप लोग जाएंगे बी स्कूल में, अभी काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है, 2 साल आपको पढ़ना है। तो उसके लिए एक शेर बोल देता हूँ, इकबाल का शेर है, सितारों से आगे जहाँ और भी है, अभी इश्क के इम्तिहान और भी है।
I'll just like to say a little bit कि जब 10वीं में थे तो मम्मी पापा ने कहा 10वीं कर लो, जिंदगी सफल हो जाएगी। फिर 12वीं में आए, मम्मी पापा बस ये कर ले, इसमें नंबर ले, सब कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा। फिर तुम्हारा कैट, अरे एक बार बस सिलेक्शन ले आओ, IIM हो जाओ, सब अच्छा हो जाएगा। नहीं बेटा, इट डजंट स्टॉप लाइक दैट, यू हैव टू कीप ऑन डूइंग। जैसे अभी अब्बास सर ने जैसा बताया, जस्ट बी, मतलब डोंट स्टॉप, वहाँ जाके रुक नहीं जाना। इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ न्यू बिगिनिंग, इट विल बी टफ, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी इजी, राइट? सो जस्ट परसिवेरेंस रखना, राइट? गॉड ब्लेस।
शेर सुनाया था एक, तो मुझे भी एक शेर याद आ रहा है। बचपन में हमारे एक टीचर, वो हाँ मतलब तो एक टीचर हमेशा कहते रहते थे क्लास में कि बेटा खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है। तो उस खुद ही को बुलंद करने में हमसे ज़्यादा हमारे फैकल्टी मेंबर्स का हाथ है, तो थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू।